Bargain Bead Box April's edition. If you want to see my creation, keep watching. Welcome to my channel, Vibrant Soul Crafts, where we express our creative imagination.
여유롭겠지 내 자유로운 soul 이미 be please
Here are the supplies that we'll be using. And these are the gorgeous earrings that we'll be making. Hello everyone, greetings to you all. And I hope everyone is having such a creatively inspired day today. All right. Okay, so this is what I came up with. This is what I was very so inspired to make. I gotta say, this month's collection of the Bargain Bead Box April edition is amazing. Okay, with the green, the peach, and the grass, and it's just a beautiful collection. So shout outs to Bargain Bead Box. Okay. All right, so let's get started. So we'll get started with the strands. So here I have laid out for you the patterns. Okay, so we have this right here. This strand is the pattern for the center tassel, and this pattern right here is a layout for the outer tassels. Okay, so what you'll do with the outer pattern is just duplicate it, make two, so you can have your two. All right, so let's go. Okay, so what we have, the tools that we'll be using actually is the round nose plier. Okay, flat curve chain plier. Straight flat plier, wire cutters, and this is optional, but I like to use it to straighten any crooked wires that you may have, like this. Straighten it. Okay, so let's get started. Excuse me. Okay, so we'll start with the center. We'll start off with green. Okay, so once we put on the green, we can then go ahead and close the end. Now, we're going to leave a little loop at the end, okay, because we're going to use this stripe, what is it? The stripe clear bead, okay, bicon. We're going to use that to dangle, see, okay, at the end of this strand, this tassel. So I'll leave a loop big enough to do so. And this is what I have. Okay, so we'll go ahead and string on the remaining beads. We're gonna go with the rondelle, silver leaf jasper. Of course, my rhinestone, which is added. Okay, it's not included in the Bargain Bead Box, but listen, I have to have my rhinestone spacer beads. Okay, so, and you don't need it. You can leave it out, or you can use anything else to replace it. It's all up to you. Okay, so we went ahead and added the second silver leaf jasper, then the rondelle, and then the green bead. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and snip off part we don't need. We'll leave about maybe, I'll say this much. You always want to make sure you have more than enough to work with. Okay, because you can always snip off what you don't need at the end. Okay, so go ahead and loop it. Okay, have our loop. All right, so we have the center done. We'll put that to the side. Well, almost done, because now we have to work with the last bead that we're going to attach to the center. And this is where the shorter wire come in at, okay? Going to bead the shorter wire. Then we're going to, again, make a loop, partial loop, because this is going to just encase or close off the bead so that it doesn't slip off, okay? And when you do it, you know, get it to where, you know, if you have to take your time with this part, then it's fine, because you do it to where you're not scratching yourself or no one else will get scratched or hurt, where you can easily slide your finger across it without it snagging on to you, okay? And then now with the other end, we're going to make a loop. Okay. There we go. And we're going to make sure the loop is fully closed. There we have it. Actually, no, we're going to open it a bit so that we can attach it to the tassel. So we're gonna grab our tassel, okay, and doesn't matter which end it is because it's a balanced tassel. So, okay, loop it on, and then we're going to close the loop now. There we have it. Okay, so now our middle tassel is complete. Set that to the side. We'll work on the outer tassel. Okay, grab the wire. Okay, so now we'll start off with the striped icon, and then we'll close off the end, okay, with a little loop. Okay, make sure you don't scratch anybody now. That's why I say if you need to take your time, take your time. It's fine, right? Safety is important, because this can be very sharp. Okay, so flip it over and continue stranding. Go with the peach. Porcelain. Peach. There we go. Okay, stripe. and green. There we go. Okay, again, we're going to snip off what we don't need, but leave more than enough space that we do need in case we, you know, things happen. You'll be surprised. All right, so there we go. All right, make sure it's closed all the way. So we got our outer strand. Okay, so you're going to do the outer strand one more time with the third wire that you have. Okay, I already have mine pre-done for the sake of the video. Okay, so we have our 3 strands. So now we're going to get started with the hoop. Okay, so let's get prepared to do the loop part. We'll slide this to the side for a moment. Actually, we'll leave this here and then we'll slide this way. And then we'll grab the beads that we're using. And, okay, let me see if, let me move this over a little so you guys can see as we go along. Okay, that's good. All right, so let's pick up the memory wire. All right, again, this side is already done, so we'll go over. So all you have to do is just loop. Okay, to start off with, just make a loop at the tip of the wire, a loop big enough or large enough for the jump ring to go into. Okay. All right, let's get started. So we'll start with peach, barrel, peach, barrel, peach, okay. We're going to go ahead and use the hammered flat bead. I don't see the flat bead on the list. Again, there was a correction that was made, but I'm so glad to have this. I'm extremely glad. This is so beautiful. Okay. Peach. Okay, so now we have half, just about half of the earring done. So we're gonna go ahead now and add on the tassels. So we're going to start with the first outer tassel. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and add 2 peach beads, 2 peach beads. So 1, 2. Then we're gonna go ahead and add the center tassel. Two peach beads. Okay. And the final outer tassel. And then 1 peach bead. And then after the peach bead, we're gonna go ahead and follow the pattern on the other side, which is the flat bead, the textured hammered flat bead, peach, barrel, so slippery, peach, barrel, and each. So we're going to work on the last part of this, the earrings, which is closing the hoop and adding on the fixtures. Alright, so let's go ahead and use our round nose plier. Close the loop on the other end. Oh. Okay, bring it back all the way. Loop is closed. Alright, so now we have to stand we have to stand the loops up together. They both have to be in this an upright position. As this one is, so this one needs to be. So we'll grab flat plier, give it a little manipulation, a little twist, and we'll see. Yep, there we have it. Okay. So now what we'll do is go ahead and grab our large jump ring, open it, twist it open, now we're going to insert the jump ring into both loops to close the earring, and then we're going to twist back the jump ring until it's completely closed. Now we're going to grab the smaller jump ring, twist open, now we're going to insert the smaller jump ring. We're going to hook the bigger jump ring onto the smaller jump ring, and then we're going to grab our fish hook. See the hole? Okay, we're going to hook the hole onto the small jump ring and then close the small jump ring, completely closed. Then there we have it. All right. So here we have our beautiful Bargain Bead Box April edition studded earrings. All right, beautiful springy tone. Yeah. All right, so this is what we have, and I want to hear from you guys. Let me know what's going on with your creative minds as well. You know, share with me some of, some details of your creations in the comment section. Also, if this video has helped you in any way, if you have been inspired by it, you like the creation that I came up with, okay, let me know by giving me a big thumbs up, all right? And also, subscribe, okay? There's going to be future content, my goal is to upload every week, and that I will be doing, okay? So I'm sure you'll enjoy my content. All right, so there we have it again. All right, thanks guys for watching. Till next time.